Welcome back, garden enthusiasts! In today's video, we're focusing on essential watering techniques for your kitchen garden. Let's dive in. Proper irrigation is key to a healthy garden. Water deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth. The amount and frequency of watering depend on your soil type and climate. For example, sandy soils may require more frequent watering, while clay soils hold moisture longer. Here are some tips for effective irrigation. First, water your garden early in the morning to reduce evaporation and allow plants to absorb moisture throughout the day. Second, use a soil moisture meter or your fingers to check if the soil is dry a few inches below the surface before watering again. Lastly, avoid overhead watering. Use drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the soil, minimizing water waste and reducing the risk of disease. Mulching is another crucial technique for maintaining soil moisture. Apply a layer of mulch around your plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, and leaves also add nutrients to the soil as they decompose. Mulching offers numerous benefits. It helps conserve water by reducing evaporation, keeps the soil cool in summer and warm in winter, and prevents weed growth, reducing competition for nutrients. Watering your kitchen garden effectively and using mulch can make a significant difference in plant health and yield. Follow these tips to keep your garden thriving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!